In this video, I will guide you on how to add location in Facebook. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile page, you want to tap on this edit icon at the top of your screen. Now over here, find the option of current city or town. Go ahead and select that option. Now go ahead and search for a city. So search for the location or type in your address. Once you have found it, simply select that. Now you can decide who can see this. If you want everyone to see it, select public. If you want no one to see it, select only me. If you want it to be visible to your friends, select the friends option and tap on done. Now tap on save. In this way, your location is going to be saved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.